Hi guys, Dave out in Worcester, Pennsylvania. I've uploaded prior videos, shorts. This is about a minute long. I make my own acrylic paints. I go and I buy Krete, or Krete, K-R-E-T-E, like concrete, Krete. It's very inexpensive, like $14 a gallon. It starts out milky, it dries clear. I mix it with my own dyes. Here I've taken alizarin and I've blended it up. Here's a swatch. Still wet. It's mixed with petrolatum. I've uploaded videos on my petrolatum substances made from renewables. And this is a very inexpensive way to blend some beautiful acrylic mixed mediums. I'll upload more. Bye.